Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Coding Professor. Right. So, do you know what happens when we want to write notes inside our Python code, and that the computer completely ignores, right? So that is called what we call it as comments, right? So today, first of all, I will write the definition of comments, right? We will use so this is the symbol of comment, right? So comments can be used to explain Python Python code, right? So this is the first definition, right? And the second one is comments can can be used to make the code more readable, right? Right. And second one is comments can be used to what the prevent the execution time, right? Prevent the execution time, right? And so this is about the comment, right? And comments can be uh, represented by what the hashtag, right? So suppose suppose sorry, so this these are line uh, uh, इसे हम बता सकते हैं कि किसी भी लाइन के आगे हैशटैग यूज करेंगे वो कमेंट में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, राइट? इन पाइथन स्पेशली, राइट? तो जैसे मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, एक कमेंट यूज होता है कि वी कैन एक्सप्लेन और कोड इजीली, राइट? टू अंडरस्टैंड और कोड इजीली। अगर आप नए बंदे हैं तो कोड लिखने के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं कमेंट्स, राइट? तो कोई भी सपोज एक्स इज इक्वल टू 5, right? Suppose I can write comment. So this is x variable which stores the sorry stores the uh, integer 5, right? This is x variable which stores the integer variable 5, integer 5, right? So again we can write x is equal to 5, y is equal to 6, right? So this is hashtag. So this is the variable name y which stores the what the value uh, 6, right? So this is the especially comment we can use before the what the code we are going to write. So now we will use the print function, print uh, x plus y. So we can use like that hashtag. So now we are going to add the x and y variable, right? So you can use like this way, right? So and how many types of commits? There's no any type of commits, right? So uh, we can say like that comments can be placed at the end of line and Python will ignore the rest of the line, right? So So now we will use the uh, Python. Programs are saying Python have a multi-line comment, right? But Python doesn't really have a syntax for multi-line comments. But we will use the what the multi-line string, right? So hashtag we will use the multi line comments, right? Does not really have a syntax for multi-line comments, but Python does not really have a syntax of what for multi-line comments, right? But we will use uh, multi-line string, right? Right, which is represented by what we can send that triple quotes, right? One, right? So we'll use the triple quotes. So this is the multi-line comment. If you write among three triple quotes, the your code will ignore, or your line of code will ignore, right? So you can write like that. Uh, uh, use the multi-line comments. I am I am the base I'm the best coder in Python, right? In Python. So use multi-line comments. So Python will ignore that line, right? So if you will print, so this is the 11, but Python have ignored what the multi-line comment, right? So this is the all about multi-line comments, and we have created a comment in Python, right? So this is very important in Python, right? So this is all about. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share your what your exercise, right? Do yourself. Thank you.